Name bala update ke kwi kor dan en tuoga tema kor en tuog ka lo Nuer lan kor mo che tuog cha token wale kurunwang ke report en pai no gor jeno be manana cha gor gwazi me ram kel me ramadan la spokesperson ko kuma SPLA IO gor jeno be ler dan chalat gwaz be nywa kel ko cha rach kamandana tuog ki ko dan choralat kan kono niam jen me jiram mi mo mi dong jiram jidit kwa sama kan war online TV channel gor jeno jender channel de support ko bilal kono la tuog bikan chamala be keje bana rach wona ka condemnation letter en cha gor ka kwiwut ka men chura jeno chole lo nuer use ke yes pelayo chole keno kan dial e ke nyagat kanya gat lura ni ne gadi ramela kwagla ka kok so we are gonna see men da ana shala de ken gwasmene but kenyam chana kwi ku dana chitu chana jaling ke report en chana gwasme me de yana ling ka ramadan la spokesperson an walle ka shanka wal bakel ka paikel ron kin dang rawi di jandang raw wi de bakel la lam Paul Gabriel she riet breaking news che jalat jane she korte to ka Pajut of Jonglei State Gwan Mishias Pelayo Forces Chikrum ke SSPDF National Security Service ke police can other organized force jenji koro mo shirombre wishin gina mi gwad mi chinetin kon kumentere wiki juba shikan dini kan gajak right now ke few minutes back a korka men shi clash at work ke chiko at work te mi chora lad gwasa meni sha jalad lampol gabriel no right kon intedi ni sha dini ke cha pajut cha jakef anona Kenishi Pajut has finally fallen to the SPLA IO chicken job chicken la. Right now, Pajut ja tirka SPLA IO cha dini SSPDF cha ka joj right now. No. Anyoka another report Michalat bana kule lunjoka jan Pajut cha ka bukuma SPLA IO ne. Chana we ka report Michalat en Lampol Gabriel. Lampol Gabriel ka kor minenten pai weba. Yala do ne jene ka poita is. Gwada shwale na Rus. Janete under SPLA IO tama. The SPLA IO Morai ke first vice president Dr. Riek Machating chicken area mo chicken ke right now right corner. Jani the wula kapoita is jaka control dung SPLA IO. Cha civilian chaga jogono de garodian wochan gwasamo. Chikala do ne civilian chaka advice and one yodoro jok you know. Ko tama watel turbil mijel ki mijen. Teteram gurgeno bijal. Kam kapoita. Chagula de kulne lampol Gabriel ne ka quiz safety ka charan cha gorno bejal. En rameten wenamo cha gorno bejal right now. Chari por me cha jala de ken mugur kon dialo de kon ngech right now. La kum espele ayo sharen permission no biken er kola civilian biken gang. Jala ka report mala tobe. So kapoita already cha fall la kapoita is ya ping kum espele ayo tem right now right corner. Ke chaje ka kwana lo jog was me ka dor shal ke me paju dio je ci konling chaji espela yo cha ka mo ke 3 days or 3 day to ke 3 day to bigot te ke je gwada kon ke bikan all the territory tin te ke ni kana ka ku ror ke gwada yal ko ken ci kume kir mi yadi ko la dak gay ko ken go Nuer special leader ko ken cha order chaje to bulat ken no chine mo ke 3 days mo te chaje no gwada mo biaje nen ke biari biaje je Pajut finalist fallen si Lampol Gabriel si jalat. Chikondi alanga kagwase pai ucha order chaje tubune dio je we all are aware of what happened. Chikamen chupai kona lat ano si Dr. Guy Cook ke order mi cha ngune kir mi hadi de kene all the SPLA IO territory tini gene control kendial biken ge captured ke SPLA IO. Borai na occasion morning ame ke je runwang ame ke joran dikan lat gwase me. Kene cha all the places tin TGS SSPDF tin chirke jen Pajut wa cha keb right now a ripon mle rota cha kef ko ngut korja tena kormidi che kormatot kormidi so de konte ka ngete no koron wang ma chore lat kormidi che kormatot gwaseme ka jo ma chalat no take a condemnation letter ma cha gor warga ambe je nywa yekel ka cha gor warga me gor lo Nuer community baje kwen ye ka ta dan chalat ke je ka daman dan ni pamba yoch galwag deny gor mo ka jo dan chalat gwas mene me condemnation later micha gor ude dan en shi rek chelat ke chinat kwet nas o nya gadni no jaram dan en cha condemn again ka jen ta dan en chalat ke je daman dan ni pam baje kwen ya ko sha gor ka sha gor go aba ka linga dan de linga je shir man ngai kono no ala gor kono bana reality ki mala tok bana je linga la tok mete mele roda den bu kono linga lo de na gor je bono ba jen wuda dan en just men kwet na men kwet nuari gor je no batur da ba je nyaka ye kel ka jo dan tikan lat keneten kono shun kel ke kum kirmi yadit keden kono en cha goro de nuar de ken survive ke de ke tek batur da be nyaka ye kel gwasme wuda me ajen wuda danen che warga che gor men me che right ke live video men men quest nas banje kulu gor go banje kwen gwata me according to the information a strong condemnation of derogatory remark labeling the Nuer community as nyagat by Pam Bayoch. Dear Mr. James Gatkor Galwak, Mobile Commissioner of Rural County. This letter come from Pamba Yoch. It is deeply unfortunate and regrettable to hear you in a live public referring to your own people, the Nuer people, especially the Nuer community in the ground, as Nyagat. As a leader and someone in a position of authority, you must surely understand the full weight and painful historical connotation of this term, Nyagat, was a derogatory label created, weaponized during the liberation struggle to demean, divide, and dehumanize segment of our people. Sadly, by repeating this insult yesterday in Dupadiet during a live video coverage, you have followed the same destructive path taken by several past tribal politicians who referred as Nuerweu and Tonalek, phrases that betrayed community, trust, and unity for personal and political gain. What a shame to witness a commissioner stoop to such a level, insulting and bullying the very citizen you are sworn to serve and protect, all for the sake of retaining a mobile post. Have you forgotten that the government you serve today relies on the support and loyalty of these same people you are now degrading and alienating? Tomorrow, when those in higher authority realize you have no genuine following left because you have burned bridge with your own community through such divisive language, they will discard and they will discard you without hesitation. They will abandon you just as you have abandoned the dignity of your people by allowing yourself to be used in this manner. As the Commissioner for Mobile Affairs, your primary duty should be to advocate for peace, unity, reconciliation, and the well-being of all citizens, not to deepen division and one within the Nuer community. Your words were not only unbecoming of your office, but have caused significant pain and disappointment among the people of Nuer. This behavior is unacceptable and must not be tolerated. By the Jek Chankel. Sincerely, Pam Bayoy Galwadina. So reporting kora mem micha gora damandane Pam. Gora je wude mem nen kona magwasme. Wude me jeram dan sir lat chola Nuer community in your god. By the way, in your god and negade, chenwe gwanya gadka. But kwa je le use ne la chere mi quit ka dob dan la ja yos keje. Micha yuno wal ne te konte chewe chere gamala na shalga Nuer wew. No ki Nuer money kene to kona na ka yo. Ngai kona dial te sure kon la na chole geje. But right now, man jang na ka gaka long and wude me ramkel ka Canadian content te ka Nuer land. Jaram dan and chikwet eko te ka pare don kirme yadi ta hol jogo no jin and position it in anytime. Anytime digital position, right? Gwiji ono tika power te, but there will be a time changa jino jin the power is again, then we tell power, but don't get it. What are you gonna do? yaul jogo no be be jenga be jokin. So when we are talking about things the worker community, la tana chicken bu conclusion, okay, ko chol kana the generalization la larke, you know, ano would me be lo Nuer community ba chol no nya gat ke chol na ke chunu ke jeno quit e wike so dan ke liu ke jeno gat do aramo, you know, and jen kwala da pemba yo chen wone ne instead de gang ne ke le guru ne ke, you know, the same people te kon e kwan ke ji ki go kwa ji ya no jin la kwar kene kon le kudantama ki le guru ne ke. So right now, tin jak ko kon je kon wari kan security. Ram leader baro the turn, you know, bene ka bekalo. Ka key power ka ko bajo mo position. So ngai kono me be long by the way is very wrong. Me ko content kon lat ko din. Ka wrong thing to go to the cap chong china de wo won yam radian. So again message chaling on sha wude me ta je ko der shirmen chaling no me leda shi chong ni bana chol nya gat ya logo no mone a word mi sha use no wal ka che nyo use and tem which mean that involve ne ka tie dan ram chol na no mo je galong a quit ni jen ka quit the community do community dan and cool benten ne me very wrong. So na me da la jen dan de yen lin ka jen kui man cha gor gwa so men bianga o korja tin shirmen dan shela you already ne won lam Paul Gabriel already ka message dan sha gor ngai kon diala no kor jatin right now but Pajut chaje kef ko joran chelat ke o gwada ci kor yo tok tene Pajut SPLA IO kana SSPDF chigurum SSPDF charen mat ke National Security Service the police service to gaten to other organized force yari ala ka kan ko kan dara go dor shanguna kana gor kana the whole place by your control. So mishir kana me abianga je no janda le road, okay. So ko kwida na bana ngach la SPLA IO right now shirmen channel ingwata me ka doro shalka me de kono cholo no ki ko tora ko la Kapoita East County bianga no she kuma SPLA already they control that part Jordan Chalat ya ko confirm already Jan Paul Gabriel ka Jordan Chal bana won go kene jen just it's a court talk then ya SSPDF already charge Jordan with me tell me chala SSPDF they are on the run ka Jordan Chalat she Sudan People Liberation Army in a position SPLA cha gwal mo cha control ka jen shankang wan ka Jordan Chala de ken ne de ten one mo watch na ren bar ke panic ken ko dan to ki ne dia children bar you know a legend take 25 kilometers from Kenya Kia border so no mo mele ro de shirma dan de kon ling ki gor kon de kon te ke ngany merong tin kon lat ke re wichin bir mi so kor jaten kor is eminent mi shane no right now we'll be waiting for more information ke report in jagabanong tele ke jwala tisha report tele wondi tisha report but men cha nga no che kor che tuok ani gwa ya te gamal ban jigum rodian